morning, little sprouts grow big and strong, just like my farm.
Whoa there, Pip! These eggs need careful hands. Uh-oh! What's that rumble? Not a hungry tummy. My sheep! They're trapped! I have to help them! No time to waste! To the tractor, Pip! All right, old friend! Time to be a hero! Hold on tight, Pip! This is gonna be a bumpy ride! Hot! This is warmer than usual! Stay calm, Max! Focus! Sheep need you! Come on, old girl! We can do it! Full speed ahead! There they are! My fluffy friends! Almost there! Wobbly! Almost! Whoa! Too close for comfort, lava buddy! Alright, bridge is ready! Alright, friend sheepies! Come on, sheepies!
It's safe! Max will keep you safe! Just one step!
That's it, Fluffy! You can do it! Almost there! Keep going, everyone! Whew! All aboard! Time for a safe journey home! All right, team. Return trip is a go. New pasture, here we come! Hold tight, Pip. We're picking up speed. We'll be out of here in no time. We made it! Hooray for teamwork!
This grass is delicious. Quack! New friends, new snacks.
All safe, all well. Max's farm is bigger now and better. Every day is an adventure, Pip. But tonight, it's just peaceful.
Perfect! My beautiful farm.
Grow big and strong, little ones. That smoke! Oh, it's getting bigger! Oh no! The flamingos! They're in trouble! Think, Max. Think. How to help. I know! The excavator! Let's go! Oh. Almost there. Gotta get this beast started. Yes! It works!
Stay safe, little friend. We're on a mission.
Smoke! We must hurry!
Oh, my poor flamingos! Max is coming!
Okay, Max, careful now. Very careful. Hold on, beautiful birds. I'm here. Easy. Don't scare them. Gotcha. Safe now, safe now. There you go, safe ground. Safe. Finally.
You're welcome, my friends. Stay safe here.
Good job, old friend. Very good job.
Oh. For me? Thank you.
Another day. Another daring rescue.
I did it! We saved them all!
Good night, world. Good night.
Oof! Too much yummy. This path too bumpy. How can I get my delicious food down there? A road! Yes! A strong, wide road! We need something B-I-G, little friend. Something powerful.
Time for an adventure. Road building time.
Whoa! This path loves to trick me. Look! It's like a giant yellow digging monster. So big! How does it go? So many shiny buttons! Which one is? Road! Whoa! It's A-I-V!
A little dusty.
But progress. Soon, little friend, soon. A real road. Take that, lumpy rock! Road building machine power. Looking good, little road. We are a great team. Oh no! It's a mountain monster. How do we move that? It won't MOV. My road! It's stuck! A lever! Like a giant seesaw! Oh, Duckling, you are a genius! Ah! Monkey brains and big machine power! Take that, Boulder! Oh no! Sticky soup for roads! Be careful, little one!
Step by step, stronger and stronger. No more squishy surprises.
We almost had a mud bath. Nothing can stop us now, not even super sticky mud. Almost there, almost home. Choo choo choo. Home. We did it, little friend. We built a way home. Finished. The Max Mobile Road is done! Hello, home! Look at our beautiful road! My road, our road, little one, it's perfect. Zoom, zoom, down the road we go. Fresh food for everyone.
Everyone's happy, and all because of our amazing new road.
Another day. Big harvest today.
Easy there, Pip. These are for work, not snacks.
Come on, little helper. Big day ahead. So much rice, but it must be done.
Huh? What was that bright light?
No time for sky gazing. Harvest time. All right, Pip, let's do this. Not so easy, but I learned fast.
Wow! Look at that! So pretty!
Beautiful, yes, but harvest won't wait. Faster, Pip, faster! The harvest won't wait for the stars to finish dancing. Almost done. Almost. Yes! Halfway there, buddy. Almost. Whoa! Just a little space pebble. Focus, Max. Focus. Must finish.
Don't eat the space snacks, Pip!
You will be harvested. Almost there. Almost there. Pip, still, good job. Mostly.
Yes.
Pip. We did it. Good job, little one. Good job.
Almost home, almost home.
Good work, Max. Very good work.
A new day, a new start. Always.
Almost ready, my little friends. Choo-choo.
Good food. Oh no! Storm coming! Fast!
Gotta go. Quick, quick, little ones.
Safe for now.
This storm is B.I.G.
Fire! Oh no! Must help!
Fox family? So scared.
Warm! Safe!
Everyone needs a warm belly.
Good food!
Sweet dreams, little ones. Safe now. Sun is here. All clear.
Go well, friends. Stay safe. A good day